All right, so this video is to show you how to get into the My English Lab. Once you have the new book, it's pretty simple. If you don't know the website, you can go to week 1 module and then look for Zoom session 1 agenda. Okay, in that, I have given you the website and also the access code you will need for our course. There are 2 access codes. All right, so first you go here and you are going to, first of all, create an account. So you're going to go here, sign in and help, sign in or create an account. So first you have to create an account and then you're going to activate here. And this is where you are going to use the code that came in the book, where it says student access code, the very front cover. So, and it tells you how to do it. So go to myenglishlab.com and register, click on register, click on the language that you want to change, right? And then you do this, put the code that is in your book. So then you sign in, create an account, sign in, and here I have my own account and it won't let me go beyond my account. So you put in your username and password and it should take you to this area. And if you did 71 using Contemporary 1, you may see it. And if you didn't, that's fine. You will just see this Contemporary Topics 2. So you click on My English Lab. And once you go in there, you have to put in the course code, which you can find right here. All right, this is the second code. You see this? That's the code for our course. So only if you put that in, you can get into our course. So you go here and it should say Grija's English 72 and you can click on that. And then you will have all these videos, Unit 1, 2, and so on. You have videos, all those things. So you should be able to get it there, okay? And if you want, you can listen to this. I have it available for you now with the presentation points. So you can go in and watch the video again where the points are all explained. So I'm not going to make the next unit available for you, but because we're going to use that and I want you to listen first. So that's how you figure out where to go. And we have audio here and then we have videos. Okay, and there could be some practice tests, I think. All tests, let's see. So some you will be able to get, some you will not be able to get, okay? Okay. I think that's all you need to know for this. If you want further examples and things like that, you can go in and do these discussions, okay? Student discussion videos. If you want to improve your knowledge, you can go do that. So that's pretty much what you need. So anyway, hope you can get in now and use the videos because I may not be posting these now in the modules.